Hi, I am Pralay Ghosh and I have built FutureYou, an AI-powered personal future simulator that uses advanced multi-agent system to help you make better decisions. What if you could see multiple versions of your future before making life-changing decision? So FutureYou might be the solution powered by Google's Gemini. So I'll just straight go to the architecture. Now, traditional decision-making tool gives you generic pros and cons. Future you is different. It extracts your unique decision DNA, quantifying your risk tolerance values, decision patterns, then simulates personalized future across 1, 3, and 5-year timelines using 5 specialized AI agent powered by Gemini. So let's straight go to the demo. So this is the project, and then I will try to show you the input that I will use for this project. So now here I will simulate whether someone should as use someone should join AI startup as founding engineer or stay as fan with promotional tracking. Right before doing that, I will run some config testing. Uh, So that will check all systems are correct, and then I will run the actual project. Okay, now you can see all the AI has been started and it is starting to do the first job of the profiler agent. It is analyzing the user profile to extract their decision DNA with unique decision making fingerprint. Great job. Decision DNA extracted, and then we have the risk and the topmost values. Now the simulator agent is generating scenarios on different timelines, 1 year, 3 year, and 5 years. So now it has started for 1 year. It will try to gather all the information from the profiler agent, and then it will run complex simulations considering the user decision DNA to create personalized scenarios. Unlike generic decision tools, each scenario is tailored to this person's specific risk tolerance and values. You can see 1 year's 3 scenarios has already been generated. Now it is trying to generate the 3 year scenarios. So after 3 years, we will see it will try to generate the 5 years projections. So how it will model the decision, and then that can compound over time actually. So it will calculate the probabilities based on real world factors and the user's decision making patterns. Wonderful. So it has able to create the 3 years 3 scenarios. Now the 5 year scenarios it is trying to create. So each scenarios include specific events, risk, and opportunities. This parallel processing approach allows us to see multiple possible futures simultaneously, giving a comprehensive view of potential outcome. So as it is generating 5 years, so uh, let's wait couple of minutes to get the okay. Wonderful. 5 years 3 scenarios has been generated. Okay, cool. Now the analyzer agent is analyzing all the scenarios, calculates alignment scores based on the user decision decision DNA, and it is analyzing the 9 scenarios has been generated by the previous simulator agent. It is generating the personalized advice. Okay, cool. So analysis completed, and it has identified the best scenarios. Now the final agent who is crafting the personalized recommendations, and it will create the visualization after that. So it will give with whatever previous agent has done, it will comprise all the information and it will give us the recommendation. Wonderful. The recommendation is ready, and then it is generating the visualization. And with the visualization, we can see what the tool has created or predicted the future for this user's inputted decision actually. Wonderful. You can see the simulation has been completed and you can see all the result has been shown here. So I'll show you uh, the output in a good HTML file. So, wow. Okay, you can see the result has been generated and then, yeah. So your decision DNA with very less risk tolerance, and then wow, the wealth, freedom, and impact. And you can see 9 future scenarios generated with specific probability and also giving the risk and opportunities. So it's pretty comprehensive, right? And then it is given all the scenarios, what it is possibility depending on the user decision DNA. So you can see the probabilities changes depending on the timeline and the pattern basically. And yeah, and if I go down, the main unique USP for the tool is the risk assessment. You can see that the decision DNA reveals a conflict where wealth and impact, but with a low risk tolerance, security and peace are the drivers actually. And then also very good thing is the personalized advice. You can see the recommendation, the action plan for 90 days from 0 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, and 61 to 90 days plan, and all the success indicator and contingency plan. So pretty comprehensive detail has been provided by the tool. Again, the tool is just a prediction or a probabilistic view for your future decision. It up to individual interpretation and how they take it, but it will enable the user to make an informed decision basically. So it's just not a tool. It can be used in a productionized use case as well. Yeah, means there are test cases has been written which I have run, and all test cases run fine. And so yeah, it is pretty much this is the tool that this tool does. So yeah, and the key highlights are the things that has been built in the tool: multi-agent system, session and memory, context engineering, observability, agent evolution, and custom tool basically. So uh, all the key AI agent concept that has been demonstrated by the tool actually. So decision DNA concept is completely novel. A unique system quantifies personal decision patterns, um, quantifies the personal decision patterns actually. So it's an open source and ready to help you make better life decisions. Fork it in GitHub and try it with your own decision and see your future before you choose it. Thank you very much for listening to the video.